Here our ingredients. Bawang sibuyas. So, yung corn natin, yan, gagawin natin. Ganyan natin sa kutsilyo na. Of course, yung ating masustansyang malunggay at alokbati. So, we add ground pepper. Yan. So, hindi ko na video agad. Yes, here's our food. Yes, yummy, yummy, yummy. In your tummy. Yummy, 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 yum. Yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's eat, 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 eat.